Hey everyone, Siavash here from Clinic Sync Pro. I got some pretty cool updates for you, Jane users. So we've been getting a lot of requests from you guys that are using our AI booking system to book from anywhere directly to your Jane calendar. And one of the most requested requests or features was, hey, how can we add appointment notes while we doing the creating the appointments via either GHL or any other platform? So I'm happy to tell you that now we have that capability. So you can basically push the appointment notes. So let's say you have an intake form or like kind of like capturing some information before making an appointment and you wanted those information to be available for your providers when they open up their Jane calendar and looking at that appointment, now you can do that. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly show this to you using GHL, but it's pretty much the same thing for those of you that are using our API. So I'm gonna go and book an appointment for Friday the 19th, and let me change to LA time zone because this demo account is in that time zone. Give it a sec to load. All right, so I go Friday the 19th, and let's do just a simple 9 a.m. I'm gonna name this test 21, test 21. I'm gonna put a phone in here, random phone number. Okay, and test 21 at gmail.com. And you can put whatever in here you want, and I'm going to show you the webhook and how you can actually send the booking notes and how to set it up. But at the moment, we have a booking note that is automatically going to this account, which is basically this. So now I'm going to click on a schedule a meeting, and I want you to look on the right-hand side while we're doing this. So let's say schedule a meeting. So again, this was for Friday, 9 a.m. So it should show up here on the right-hand side in a sec. There we go. So it came in here, and as you can see, we have this bubble. So that means that there is an appointment note in here. So if I click on this guy, and then if you look at the right-hand side, if I scroll a little bit down, you can see that the appointment note that we provided is in here. Now you can add as many notes as you want to the appointment. So within the webhook, it's pretty simple. There's just one more field that you can add. So the custom field would be booking notes, and this can obviously be anything, your custom values, simple text, or whatever you want, and we will automatically put that on your appointment. Now, there's also another good feature that I'm going to do another video on. So this is the appointment notes, but we also now have a capability to add patient notes as well. I'm going to do another video for that to show you how you can actually do a patient notes as well via the API. Let me know if you have any question. I hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.